To understand your body, start with your cells. Hi there, I am Georgia from Mentivia. Welcome! Today, we're exploring a critical question. Why is understanding cells so absolutely essential for comprehending the complex physiological processes that govern our bodies? From the food we digest to the thoughts we think, every single function, every aspect of health and disease, boils down to the intricate activities of our cells. Let's begin with digestion. We've learned about enterocytes, parietal cells, and chief cells. But why is understanding them essential? Because digestive health hinges on their precise function. When these cells are compromised, nutrient absorption fails, leading to malnutrition or inflammatory conditions. Understanding their membrane transporters, enzyme production, and barrier integrity allows us to diagnose and treat issues like coeliac disease or irritable bowel syndrome by targeting specific cellular pathways. Next, consider immunity. Our immune system is a cellular army. Macrophages engulf pathogens, T cells identify and destroy infected cells, and B cells produce antibodies. Understanding how these cells recognize threats, communicate with each other via signaling molecules, and differentiate into specialized fighters is paramount. This knowledge is the bedrock for developing effective vaccines, designing treatments for autoimmune diseases where immune cells mistakenly attack the body, and creating new cancer immunotherapies. Reproduction, the very continuation of life, is fundamentally a cellular story. The formation of sperm and egg cells through meiosis, the fusion of these gametes during fertilization to form a zygote, and the subsequent mitotic divisions that build an embryo, all are cellular events. Understanding these processes at a cellular and molecular level is vital for fertility treatments like IVF, genetic counseling, and preventing developmental abnormalities. Finally, let's turn to thought. Our consciousness, memories, and emotions are all products of the brain's cellular activity. Neurons transmit electrical and chemical signals, forming complex networks, while glial cells provide crucial support. Understanding how neurons generate and propagate impulses, how synapses communicate, and how glial cells maintain the neural environment is key to unlocking the mysteries of the brain. This knowledge drives research into neurological disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and mental health conditions, and even inspires technologies like brain-computer interfaces. In essence, every physiological process is an elaborate dance of cells. Digestion relies on cells absorbing nutrients, immunity depends on cells identifying and destroying threats, reproduction begins with cellular fusion and division, and thought emerges from cellular communication. When we understand cells, we gain the ability to intervene in these processes. This cellular-level understanding allows us to develop targeted drugs that modulate specific cellular functions, create advanced diagnostic tools that detect cellular abnormalities early, and even engineer cells for therapeutic purposes. It's the foundation for precision medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's unique cellular makeup. Looking to the future, our ever-deepening understanding of cells promises even more revolutionary breakthroughs. From regenerative medicine, where we can grow new tissues and organs from stem cells, to gene editing technologies that correct cellular defects. The potential is boundless. Ultimately, understanding cells is not just about knowing the basic units of life. It's about grasping the very essence of how life works, how it maintains itself, how it falters, and how we can intervene to improve health and extend human potential. It's the most fundamental lens through which we can truly comprehend the biological world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to visit Mentivia.com, where you'll find a wide range of educational e-learnings, videos, and articles, all completely free. It's your go-to resource for deepening your understanding across science, history, and more. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way.